language at home, I'm going to give you one really easy question and answer to be able to use with your kids, toddlers, whatever, when you're out and about, at home, in out, any place, in anytime. The question is, Cad a ecantu, what do you see? Cad a ecantu, and it can be Caird a ecantu, Cudé a ecantu, depending on dialects, Caird Conna, Cudé, Ulster. But this is what you see, nice and easy one. The reason that this is great is because the answer is fecum. Fecum, I see. And then you can just add in any word. Fecum in, I see a bird. Fecum durus, I see a door. Fecum bird, I see a table. You just put in any word at all afterwards, and if you're out and about and you didn't know the Irish word, it would just be really easy to check that up later or check it on your phone. The dictionaries folklore.ie and changlin.ie. You can type in anything in English, get the Irish word and get the pronunciation as well. So that's Cad a ecantu, what do you see? And the answer fecum, I see.